All right, me and Jackson are up here at Lost Creek. Got up here a little bit late, but we're gonna give it a shot here. See if we can catch a few fish. See if we can catch a cutthroat or a couple rainbows. We're dragging some pop gear and a night crawler on one side, and we're going to flatfish on the other. Just gonna try to cruise down here and see what we can get farther on the other side. Not marking a lot of fish. So, got the flatfish working on this side. So we'll see what happens. Hope just got a bite on this side. Maybe. Jack, see, we got one. Reel that in. I think it's just a small fish. Might be a little chub. Is it pulling back pretty good? There's some fish eating ducks over there. I bet it's a little chub we hooked up. Okay, reel him in, big dog. It ain't that big a fish. It's just barely tapping the pole. It's just a little chub, I bet. Can you put the rod tip that way? There you go. And you won't get it into Dad's stuff. Well, it's because it's got pop gear on. That's why it fights harder. Is there even anything on it? Yeah, it's just a little guy. Keep reeling. Okay. Okay, lift it up. That's just a baby. Just a little guy. Just a little rainbow. Just a little guy. It's like you. Well, salted was, that was the only flavor they had when Dad was a kid. Ooh, marking some nice fish right through here. Oop, got one. Get him, that's a better fish.
Come on.
There you go. Okay, reel him in. That's gonna be a little bit tough to reel in with the pop gear.
Was it salted? Did you eat the salted?
Yeah, that's all they had. That's all they had when I was a kid was salted sunflower seeds. They didn't have dill pickle. That one's gonna be tough to reel in with that pop gear. That was a big fish too.
If I find I'll grab that.
That's a better fish.
That's what I'm with Grandpa.
You're no grandpa, barely able to reel it in? Well, Dad was struggling with that, getting it in with the pop gear.
Did you eat the salted?
Do we need the net? Is it that big?
Yeah.
Okay, keep the rod tip up.
Oh man, I can catch it. Stop attacking. Oh, it's still attacking.
You gotta keep reeling in, you can't stop. You gotta keep pressure on them. Don't hurry. Go that way.
I'm trying to, it's too strong.
Okay, keep that tip up. Keep the tip up.
Fish have caught my life.
Okay, keep going.
Oh man.
It's just that pop gear's making it feel heavy. Okay, keep going.
I can catch it by myself.
You're lucky you're not out here by yourself. Okay, keep the tip up. Keep it out of here. You gotta keep it out of there.
If I was by myself, I would just throw the pole in the water.
You throw the pole in the water. Okay, do you want me to finish, or are you gonna be able to handle this big dog? Okay, let's go. Get that big dog in.
I'll do strong and
Come on, go strong on it. I think it's a pretty good fish. Maybe not. Okay, lift up that way. You gotta go that way, that way, that way. Okay, keep going. Okay, stop, lift up. Lift up that way. You gotta go that way, he's under the boat. Oh, it's just a baby. Why did I get the net out for that one? I thought you had a big dog. And that's all we got was that little squirt? That little of a squirt put up that big a fight for you.
The pop gear.
Yeah, that pop gear probably made him feel like a 20-pounder.
Why did the pop gear make it?
Big old shelf over here. Oop. Got one, Jax. Get him. Feels like a bigger fish. Hang on. I think that's a better fish.
Oh, mother little. This is.
That might be a bigger fish finally. Okay, keep the rod tip up.
Oh.
I'll get the net just in case it is a nice cut. Okay, keep that rod tip up. This one actually released. Oh, this is a better fish. Okay, lift up. No.
Don't let it go.
You gotta lift up. That's a little better bow. A little better fish.
That's kind of big.
That's a little better than what we've been catching, huh?
That's
Oops. Ah. Holy smokes. Okay, shh. That was hooking everything right there. That's a little better fish. Let's get the hook out of him. Yeah, a little better rainbow. Okay, got the hook out of him. Let's hold him up. Hey, look at that. That's a little better rainbow there, huh?
I don't care.
Whoosh! There he goes. Dude, look what we caught. Jaxie, look what we caught trolling. Look at that. What is that thing?
Hey, don't get it next to me. Stop it!
Those things got mean pinchers, man. Look at that. He's not letting go.
Stop!
You know what that is?
No!
It's a crawfish. Let's see if he lets go now. Let go of that worm, dude. Let go. Oh, there he goes. Do you believe he grabbed our worm? You know what those are? They're little lobsters. I wasn't going to let him get you. Alright, so what... Okay, so what I do is see how you set it to 0. I'm going to go 20 feet. Count out 20 feet of line. So you can see it counting. So what does it say, 20? Oops. A little bit more. Kind of put that one in. Put it in here just a little bit tight.
Come back.
We'll go down to 15 feet again. Okay, went down to 18 feet. We're a little bit deeper than we were last time.
We've already been catching fish. We've caught 5 fish.
caught any big ones yet today.
What?
That's the problem, we haven't caught any big ones today. Going right through a bunch of fish. Oop, got another one. There you go.
Now you got
Get reel him in.
And then the king is that.
Downrigger's working good today. Okay. All we're catching is these little babies though. Okay, stop for a sec.
That's a cartoon.
All we're catching is these little guys. Whoa!
I saw
Grab that. Is that a fish? That one hit hard. Okay, keep the rod tip up. Why these things? Yeah, that one hit hard. Why these things got to go under? Hey, reel him in a little bit more. All right, that's good. Bring him over so I can grab it. Can't reach that far. I think I gulped it. It's a little stocky bugger. He's fat. Look how fat that dude is. He's been down